Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to study adjectives and its types. Let us study what are adjectives. Let us read some examples. First of all, the team has a dangerous batsman. What kind of batsman? Dangerous. I have 10 candies in my pocket. How many candies? 10. I loved that red car. Which one car? That red. I earn more money than he does. How much money? More. These are some examples, and in these dangerous, 10, red, that, more, these all are adjectives. Let us see definition of adjectives. Definition: an adjective describes or modifies nouns or pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Means an adjective always specify or describes a noun or a pronoun. Let us see types of adjectives. First type of adjective is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of number. Numbers are of two types, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjective, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, emphasizing and exclamatory adjective. We will study them in detail now. First of all, adjective of quality. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns, pronouns they modify or describes. Means they tell us the quality of a noun or pronoun. Let us see examples. I have a fast car. The word fast is describing an attribute of the car. I am hungry. The word hungry is providing information about the subject. The hungry cats are crying. Hungry here telling us about cats. I saw a flying eagle. Flying is the quality of eagle. So these underlined words are adjective of quality. They tell us the quality, otherwise they provide information about a noun or pronoun. Adjective of quantity. A word that shows the quantity of anything is called an adjective of quantity. Let us see examples. I have little money to spend. She is a lady of great courage. You should have completed the whole task. I have done enough hard work. So here, little, great, whole, enough. These are adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. An adjective that shows how many persons or things are meant or in order a person or stands. It is two types, definite or indefinite. Definite, that denotes an exact number. Example, 5 boys, third row. Indefinite, that does not denote an exact number, just like few boys, several girls. Let us see cardinal number. Definite number like 1, 2, 3, 4 are cardinal adjectives. Examples: she has 2 pens. She has 4 books. 2 and 4 are here cardinal numbers. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This goes on. This type of adjectives are cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, they tell us about the orders like first, second, last, third, fourth. These all are ordinal numbers, adjectives. Examples. The first chapter of this book is noun. The last boy is very calm. So here first and last are ordinal. Indefinite numeral adjectives. They don't define any exact number. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. Examples. I gave some candy to her. I want a few moments alone. Several writers wrote about the recent incidents. Each student will have to submit homework tomorrow. So here some, a few, several, each. These are indefinite numeral adjectives. Students, actually these are just like cardinal, ordinal, indefinite adjective and distributive adjectives. These all are the parts of adjectives of number. So don't be confused. These all are the same. Okay. Distributive numeral adjectives. The adjectives which refer to each one of the number is known as distributive adjective. If each, every, either or neither is immediately followed by noun, it is known as distributive adjectives. Examples. Each candidate is honest. Every boy is present today. So here each and every are adjectives. Students, you will be confused in this which is adjective or which is pronoun. If a word is followed by noun and it's describing a noun, then it is called adjective. But if it comes alone, means no noun comes after it, then it is pronoun. See here, after each, candidates is used here. So candidate is a noun, that's why each is adjective. Every boy, after every, boy is there, so every is an adjective. Now we will see possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your. All these adjectives always come before a noun. Let us see examples. This is my school. Here, my is possessive adjective. Ram is her brother. Her is possessive adjectives. Means an adjective which shows possession is called a possessive adjective. Your bungalow has been sold. Here, your is possessive adjective. Their ideas are impractical. There is possessive adjective. Her husband is a doctor. Her is possessive adjective. Let us see demonstrative adjective. The adjective that points out which person or thing is meant. Means an adjective which points out a noun or pronoun is called demonstrative adjective. Examples. This boy is good. Here this is demonstrative adjective. That pen is new. That is demonstrative adjective. These shirts are black. Are these is demonstrative adjective. Students, this, that, these, those, such, these are demonstrative adjectives, and in this is used for closer things and for singular, that is used for singular and further things, these is used for plural and for closer things, those is used for plural but further things. Interrogative adjectives. What, which, whose are interrogative adjectives which they are used with a noun. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives, words which ask questions, just like what, which, whose. Let's see the examples. Which room is here? Her. Which is interrogative adjective. Whose book is this? Whose is interrogative adjectives. Let us see emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjectives lay stress on the preceding noun. The words used to emphasize a noun are called emphasizing adjectives. Very and on are the most commonly used emphasizing adjectives which are used to emphasize some ideas. Let us see examples. Mind your own business. On here emphasizing adjective. Mind your own language. On. I arranged it with my own efforts. You did it with your own hands. Here on is emphasizing adjectives. That is the very place where I met him. That is the very place where I met him. So very is here emphasizing adjectives. Next adjective, exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives indicate strong emotions and exclamatory adjective is used with noun. Usually we use a word what to express strong emotion. That is, we use the word what as an exclamatory adjective. Let us see some examples. What a charming child he is. What a beautiful girl she is. What an idea. What a popular game it is. Here in these sentences, what is used as an exclamatory adjectives. This is all students. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video.